Hello everyone, my name is Ilya and we're right now sitting in the headquarters of PenEngineering. I'm the CCO of the PenEngineering, Chief Commercial Officer. I'm the formal part of the company. And tonight we're gonna ask Artur, the CEO of PenEngineering, a couple of questions.
Hello, Artur.
Hello, bro.
So my first question is, what is PenEngineering and what inspired you to create it and what does your company do?
So I'm playing right now Akira Galaga. So I think... Okay, I lost. So PenEngineering is my company, is our company, yeah. We created this company in order to create devices and create real stuff, real embedded devices, IoT, in the best way we can. I worked for BMW and our colleagues also worked in automotive field, and right now we're launching and developing AkiraConsole and KeyaPad, and also we have B2B services. So if you want to develop something, you can go to speak with Ilya, and after this you can speak with me.
Okay, sounds interesting. And what inspired you to create AkiraConsole?
I love retro gaming and I love hacking. And I wanted a Game Boy that is capable to hack everything.
Why do you build the hardware, firmware, and cloud yourselves?
Because I like open source, and everybody knows who doesn't know. AkiraOS, our operating system, is open source, and I love the Linux Foundation logic, how Linus Torvald changed the world. And I love all this. So we decided to create everything, not proprietary, but to create everything by ourselves.
Okay, third question. Why are you building a company in Moldova and how does it work for a global market?
For a global market, this is very good because we have 7% taxes because of IT park. So, for example, if you go to Germany, you'll have to pay a lot of taxes. But if you go to Moldova, you pay just 7% from revenue, and that's all.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have our laboratory, and that's perfect.
So basically, we are just cheaper, but with the same price, we bring the same quality as the European countries.
No. For European countries and our colleagues, like partners we worked with, like we bring a better quality, but on a lower price.
Mm-hmm. Sounds actually good. I'd like to ask a couple of more questions about the devices because we have a lot of them, quite a lot of them. So, how actually did you create AkiraConsole? What was the pathing?
So, firstly, I decided to create an emulator, and after this I understood that just playing games is boring. Having Flipper, having Game Boy, having PlayStation Vita is too much. So I decided to create and bring all this in one very small and slim case.
Mm-hmm.
So this is AkiraConsole, and I want to play more.
Can I show the first samples of AkiraConsole?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so here is the first version of AkiraConsole. That time it wasn't AkiraConsole, and this is built like from scratch by me. And here is the first prototype of AkiraConsole when we decided to create it like as a console, as a product. And here is the console that you can buy. Soon you can buy. We are launching this on Crowd Supply.
We're gonna share the link in the description so you can check and subscribe for our pre-launch page on Crowd Supply for AkiraConsole. Second question about our second prototype, the KeyaPad, the MacroPad. What inspired you to create this one? Because we have a lot of keyboards in the market, and what does actually this mean and why did you create it? What's the decision?
I'm a very big fan of productivity, so I wanted all the time to press one button and to have all the scripts I need typo. And also I love gaming. I'm a designer myself, like product design and PCB design. And if you know how I work in PCB design, there's a lot of shortcuts, a lot of stuff that I need to press and to go all over the simple keyboard. And here I have the overlays, like the layer 2 is just like this. I can go with PCB designing and just like this, pressing one button, changing the layer, and I'm going with designing in Sharp 3D, like for product design.
So you can actually have a lot of layers with this.
You can actually have a lot of layers for any type of challenge you want to achieve, want to do, and the most important thing is that's a very big productivity boost. It's a productivity tool and tool for boosting your productivity. Like if you work in Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, EasyDA, I don't know, KiCad, maybe I don't know, Sharp 3D, Blender, any type of stuff. Even some guys decided to make it for Warhammer.
So it can actually be used almost everywhere.
Yeah, the logic behind our products, all our products, and Akira and KeyaPad is this is fully customizable and configurable, and only your imagination can close how you use it.
And I actually heard that we have also the Akira platform. I'm not so familiar with what you did with the KeyaPad platform, right?
Yeah, KeyaPad, it is Kia OpenHit, and if we go to the goal on Indiegogo, we'll publish it open source, and everybody can use our software or firmware to build their own keyboards.
Is it like the final product, or we will have KeyaPad version 2 or the bigger one?
No, we had the first version, like first batch sold. After this, we decided to make a user experience overview. We improved the KeyaPad. Right now, we're launching the first product version of this, which is actually the second version. And after this, we're planning creating Kia board and a full keyboard 65%, and KeyaPad Pro, a bigger one with more solutions.
Sounds good. One more question. Akira Jam. Why are you launching Game Jam for your console, and how can I help people to participate?
As I said, everybody who buys the Akira console, everybody who wants it, everybody can write any application or any stuff on this, and only your imagination are your borders. So I want to have one team can't do everything and can't explore the whole possibilities of this console. So I want everybody, that's why this is open source. I want everybody to write what they want and use it as they want.
So basically, I've read a couple of articles about the Flipper, how it started, and it's kind of the same field as Akira console. And if I'm not mistaken, when they launched it, it had like a couple of applications, no more than 20. And right now it's like 800 applications. So basically the same target, that everyone can write anything on that. So for example, we have the elevator, and you can actually get the chip installed in the Akira console and you can use it.
Yeah, not the chip, like you can just use it as an NFC tag. Right here, you can use it as an NFC tag. I use it I myself right now, the prototype, I'm using it for getting to my home, and in the office here at the elevator.
Okay. And the open core, how do you make money on a free OS core? And why is this a fair model?
I think that's fair because the AkiraOS is open source. If you want to build something, you build. And if you are a big business, we have Akira platform for this. So you can just buy it from us. And this is best of the best, with the best security, with all the features that are not needed in DIY projects, but are mandatory in production project.
Got it. And I think this is going to be the last question. What are our further plans and ideas for developing our company, or will we stop at what we achieve?
No, we are going to stage a fundraising with AkiraOS. We are going to launch AkiraConsole KeyaPad, and after this, as I said, we have a lot of ideas of creating more products.
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good. It was nice to speak with you, but we are going to go work.